Hey guys, if you want to know how I achieved this look, stay tuned for the rest of the video and you'll see how. So first I'm going to start by using the Tresemme Heat Tamer Heat Protectant Spray. This spray protects your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to spray this all over my hair and then brush my fingers through it to distribute the product evenly. Next, I'm going to section my hair from the bottom and put the rest up in a bun. For the next part, I'm going to split my hair down the middle in the back and then use little sections to wave my hair, and I'm just going to do this throughout my whole head. So I'm going to speed this part up for you guys, but my hair in total took me about 40 minutes to get the whole thing done. That is a long time and my arms were hurting. I'm not going to lie, they were kind of sore by the time I was done. So I finally made it to the top section of my hair. I'm just going to repeat the process and section my hair in two and then go ahead and use little sections to wave my hair. So now I'm at the very top section of my hair. This part I'm going to try to be a little bit more precise in where I place the waver so that way the hair looks nice and full up top. The end is finally near. I am so happy to be almost done with my hair. here is the end result of my hair after using the Bedhead Wave Wave Hot Tool. And for the first time, I'm not mad at it. I think it came out good. My waves aren't too tight or they're not too loose, so I'm happy with the results. I used the hot tool on 375 for the inner layers, and then I used the hot tool on 400 for the outer layers, just so my waves are a little bit more intact. But here's the tool that I used. It's pretty simple. It just has the on button and 2 arrow keys to basically increase the heat and decrease the heat. But it was $40 and I got this from Ulta, so it wasn't too expensive, and I think it did a good job in achieving what it said it was supposed to be doing, which is giving you these beachy waves. And if you want more hair tutorials, let me know in the comment section and I'm happy to do them for you.